Today I'm looking at a fantastic tool, which is great if you do videos like these. And it's got some other uses as well. It's called Blurweb, and it does what it says. It blurs anything you want on a web page. So that if you don't want to show sensitive information like your email address, or you want to hide some figures or not show a certain link, you can do that, and it remembers when you go back to that web page. Really clever, really good. Just before we jump in the description, there is my discount link for Blurweb. Check it out, and thanks for subscribing to the channel. Here we go. This is Blurweb. Okay, so I think the best way to show you Blurweb is to jump to it and show it you in action. It is a web browser extension. Here it is on Google Chrome. Once it is installed and activated, you just click on the extension and it brings up this box at the bottom of the screen. And while it is activated, you will see that every time I hover over just about anything on the website, it goes blue. And there's a few ways of blurring stuff, and you can see that this is one of my account pages for some of the products I promote. And obviously, if I'm going to make a demonstration video about this, I don't want to show you all of the details. So if there's anything on the page I want to blur, I just click on it and it blurs. If I want to unblur it, I click on it again and it unblurs. And that is as simple as that. There is a different mode. We can switch the mode now where we can either blur selected text. So if I click and highlight something, promote any brand, and click blur selected text, it will blur that selected text. And again, also to show you as well, you can blur an area. Now, the only problem with the blur the area is it doesn't work when you scroll. But I will show you, so you can just draw a box around something and blur that area, or delete the blur. Yeah, but as I say, that's just one of the things. It's not a criticism. Maybe that's just the way it's meant to be set. So if I blur that, if you see I scroll now, I'll click apply, and you see if I scroll, it just blurs that area. Okay, but you should be able to blur it using other means. You can blur selected text, blur an area, and you can keep the blur, which means that once you leave this page and come back to it, the blur will still be there. Try saying that. The blur will still be there. When you are happy with everything you have blurred on a page and you're ready to make your demonstration video like this, you just click the tick box and you are ready to record, and those areas will be blurred. And again, if I want to scroll through, so here's some of the products that I don't promote, but new brands here, and say I don't want to show some of these, I'll just show you again very quickly. You click it on again, and I don't want to show you the actual company name. I can blur them all away. So that's how it works on that page. Let's show you on another page. So here is ScaleNut, the AI writer that I'm liking at the moment, and not a lot really to show you on this one, but yeah, say I don't want to show you my name or my account details. So this is where it could really come into its own. Is it if you've got your own say this account shows my email address, or it shows my account package. I don't want to have to show it. I'm not really bothered that you can see my name there. And then just record it. Now, I would say that this is not, and when you're finished, always click the tick button. This is not going to be one of my longer demonstration videos. Here's another bookmark product I display and show. It's called Super Dense. Really like it. And again, on this, I click the blur button. And if I do not want to show certain, hang on, we go into this mode, unblur that. If I didn't want to show you certain bookmarks, but then show you other ones, I could decide which ones to show you while I was making my video. So I might have a dodgy category on here. I haven't. I might not want to show that. And yeah, I think really that's where we're at with it. It does what it says on the tin. I have found it, if I go back to this now, let's just double check it's all still there. So we go back to the web page I left, and everything is still blurred. If you want to get rid of everything, you just click clear all. I won't do it on that page because I'll show you all my details. But if I wanted to click on this page and get rid of all my blurs and start again, I can click clear all, and it brings everything back. Not too sure what the size is. It's possibly when you write in boxes and stuff. Really simple piece of software. So other uses, as well as for people who make videos, quite possibly you do presentations. You want to show a website at a presentation, you can blur them for that. Or if you're taking just a photo, a screenshot of something. So, for example, one of the guys I've just blurred everything there. One of the guys who I know who sells a course, and he kind of wants to tell everybody the money he's making from each product that he's selling, but he doesn't want the people who've not bought the course, if you get my drift, to know the products he's selling or how he's doing it. So he could go through his accounts, just like I showed it on the first place, and blur everything that gives the game away kind of thing. So yeah, handy little tool, very quick video. It is called the Blur... Well, let's just double check what it is called. I should check these things. It's called the Blurweb App. And if you have a look at the link in the description, you will get it for a great deal. So yeah, I do highly recommend Blurweb. I'm going to be using it all the time, just in little videos, just to hide little bits of sensitive information. Figures, email addresses, stuff like that people don't want to see. And a great little tool that does what it says on the tin. So thanks for following me. And I will be bringing you more products like this. And I want to tell you very soon about my new website that's coming. It's going to be a bit crazy. But if you subscribe to the channel, you'll find all about it soon. Take care, and I'll see you next time.